Hello everybody, I wanted to talk about the headlights of the Hyundai Kona Electric. I myself experienced it and I've heard it from a few other people as well, that the headlights are kind of high adjusted from the factory, and a lot of people get flashed at when they drive at night. So I just wanted to show that it can be adjusted pretty easily. There was lots of people on forums that had the same problem and questions on how to do it, if they have to drive to the dealer or if it can be done pretty easily. There's a screw on the back of the headlights that you can adjust the height with. It's underneath the hood and pretty easily accessible. So I've seen some tips in the forums to park your Kona in front of a wall, adjust the screw to change the height of the headlights, and figure that way how the height should be adjusted. I personally think that there's a better way, and that's how I did it. The problem with that method, I think, is if you park in front of a wall and you adjust the height, you see very little movement on the wall, but in the distance, and that's where most people get blinded at. The change is pretty big, so you have no way to judge how high you are actually adjusting it. The other problem is if you just go by the projection on the wall, you have no idea how much you actually adjusted it. So the left light versus the right light could be very different, and then you have headlights that are not adjusted right. You have one higher and one lower. The way that I adjusted it is pretty easy. The screw that you have to turn, just turn it half a rotation on both, and that way you adjust on the same height.
Just find a Phillips screwdriver, pop the hood, and right on the back of the headlights you can find this little screw. Right here. U is clockwise and up, D is counterclockwise and down. Just insert, rotate, and you're done.
That way you can keep track of how you adjusted it, and then drive at night, see what the effect is, and then come back and readjust it. Either turn it another half rotation or turn it back half a rotation. You can keep track of it on a piece of paper, that way you don't screw it up. So that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it and it helped you. Thank you. Bye.